This is a review on solving systems of inequalities by graphing. It's not really easy for me to do the graphs on these little coordinate planes, so I'm going to do my best. So the first one that I did, I graphed this one here in black. You can see I went up to the 3, I went up 1 over 2, and the one in blue is a horizontal line. Y is less than or equal to -5. Both are solid. So when we do the shading, this one right here, because it is less than, we're going to be shading everything that's less than that line. And the other one is also less than, so we're going to be shading here, which means the overlap, the answer, is everything that's right here. And that's your final answer. It's everything that's in the yellow is your answer. Let's take a look at number 2. X is greater than 3, so it has to be a dotted line at 3. It's hard to use a ruler on an iPad. The other one is Y is greater than -4/3 X plus 1. So we're going to go up to the 1, -4/3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and it's a negative, so it's going down. So X is greater than 3, which means everything over here, and Y is greater than -4/3, which means everything over here, and you can see where the colors overlap is just going to be right here. And that's going to be your final answer for number 2. Number 3, Y is less than -6x minus 3. We go down to the -3. We have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I didn't go down 6 because there's not enough space. So I went up and then over to the left would make it negative. So it's a, dotted line. And then the other one is, so that's this one. This one is at 2, down 1 over 1. So this one is a solid line. And Y is less than -6x. So less than is going to be below or to the left, which is over here. And greater than is going to be above or to the right. All right, so I'm going to go back over here. So this is a really, really small area. It's right up in this tippy corner is where that overlap is. All right, let's look at number 5. Y is less than 1/3 X plus 3. So I'm going to 3 and up 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, and it's a dotted line. It should be dotted. There's some spaces. And then we have this one, which is -2, and it's 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, and it's a solid line. It goes up there. So we have the overlap, so this is less than, so it's going to go below. And then this one is greater than, so it's going to go above this way. And you can see the overlap. It's right here. That's the overlap. And number 7, this one is at -3, and it's it's 1, 2, 3, 1. And it's a solid line. And then this one is at 4. And it's also a solid line. And the first one is less than. So it's going to be down here. The other one also is less than. So it's going to go below. And then the area that it's going to be is down here. Now remember, if any of these, if you can't figure out where it's shaded, then you can go ahead and pick a number, like 0, 0. 0 is less than or equal to 4. And that's a true statement, which is why we did shade in that blue. If you ever get confused. But if you try it here, 0 is less than or equal to -3, that's not true, which is why the black shading is not in that area. We'll let you go ahead and look at 4, 6, and 8. Remember, these y is going to be a horizontal line and x will be a vertical line.